Hey, it's kind of like hard snow. It's like sleet. Yeah, it's coming down pretty hard. Can you hear it? Yeah, it's real wet, Jeff. Yeah, it's really wet. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Jeff, I'm gonna go bumper riding. Remember that? Me too. I'm too old. Look at that, guys, coming down. Be careful. I'm gonna work tomorrow, guys. I took a vacation for tomorrow. 4-day weekend. 4-day weekend. Yeah. It's nice having 4 days off. Because Monday's a holiday, President's Day. So I took tomorrow off. I'm going to do some painting tomorrow in the kitchen. So I'm going to do some before pictures and after pictures or videos. Oh, this is from yesterday. Yeah, it's going to be a blizzard, I think. It's going to get cold tonight, Jeff. Yeah, this is Butch and Lucy's Life in the USA. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, ooh, it's cold out here. So you guys like winter? Let me know in the comments. Do some comments for me. I don't see many cars out here, Jeff. Not at all. I'm gonna go back inside. It's getting cold. Oh, dang it. I hit my head on that stupid door. Oh, knocked myself out. Gotta go to the hospital. I'm just joking.